Lights. Look at that. That's a C6 Corvette with C7 taillights. I've never seen anything like that. I thought it was a C7. I came up to it and I'm like, oh, it's a C7. He's chopping. That's a C6 Corvette. Look at the diffuser. How did he do that?
I don't know, but it looks good.
I hope you guys can see what we're talking about. We'll get up closer next to him. Thankfully, we're going in the same direction as him. But that's crazy. I've never seen anything like that. Or anybody do C7 taillights on a C6. Look at the taillights. What the heck? Oh, we'll get them going over here. You guys see that? Look at that. That's so crazy looking. It's a base model C6. Tell me what you guys think. Does that look good on a C6? Comment down below if you guys would do that or if it looks good. We're heading on over to a car meet right now. Somebody's getting pulled over. It's that BMW. That sucks. And we got another cop up here. Dang, there's a lot of cops over here. Chopping G8. We are here at the meet. There's a couple cars already here. We got a G80. Oh, Camaro. There's that orange Toyota Supra. Camaro ZL1 chopping. Nothing was really going down at that car meet, so we just left there. We got two Beamers in front of us that might do a run, so we'll see how it goes. Like the right lane got it. We are going to, actually, believe it or not, we're going to a Supercar car meet, and starting it off, there's a McLaren right there. We're going to a Supercar car meet. That was a great way to start this video off. We got about a 40-minute drive, so let's head on over onto the highway. Let's go to the car meet. Look at the plane. Going in for that landing. We're almost at the meet. It is right down the street. All right, we are here. Look at that R33. Got some bikes. Lamborghinis, McLarens, RX-7 in the middle, just taking over. GT3 RS. Let's go check it all out. Got some super nice bikes. R33, GTR. Oh my gosh. Lamborghini Urus, BMW. Land Murcielago. Wow. Let's check what the inside looks like. It's on bags, of course. Look at that steering wheel. That's crazy. This thing is so low. That's nice. Another McLaren. Lamborghini Huracan. Evo. RX-7. The carbon fiber doors. Trunk. Look at that turbo. Y'all see that? And there's a wide body. GT3 RS. Another one, Huracan. Check out this STO. And 2 more GT3 RSs.
Nice trunk.
Right?
Yeah.
STO, I love that roof scoop. That is so sick. And that wing. That is so nice. Look at that. Woo. Would you guys classify a GT3 RS as a supercar? Yes or no? Leave a comment down below. Let's check inside. Oh, this is another Huracan Evo. Look at this interior. Oh, BMW M3. Let's check inside of here. The 600 LT McLaren. Look at those bucket seats. Is that even comfortable to sit in? Look at that. I like the exhaust where it's at right there. So this is the R33. What the heck? But it's right-hand drive, stick shift. It's always weird to see the steering wheel on the other side. But I love this midnight purple. It is so nice. Look at that. Alright, well, we are going to leave from this car meet and I guess go to another one later tonight. Alright, we are driving downtown and we got another supercar. Another McLaren. And yet we found ourselves another McLaren. There are so many. We're still cruising downtown. We are at another car meet. We got a GT500 right there. BMW. Alright, well, we stayed here for half an hour and it looks like this meet is dead and nobody's coming. So we're gonna go to the next meet. Hopefully something happens. Because I've been to 4 car meets so far and they have all been not good. And we got Cop 1. He had his lights on and like he was like right over there, back there. It was red on his side, green here, turned his lights on, and he just turned them off. So I don't know if he did that just to not wait at that red light or what, but now he's just cruising. We are at the last car meet. There's a couple cars here. Alright, so these are the cars that are here. We got an F-150 truck. Got a Camaro. Volkswagen with an intercooler. 2 Camaros. Smell some E85. High rim intake. Got a C6 Corvette here. It's pretty dark, but there's more cars over there. Shopping. Got a bike here. By the way, it is 40 degrees right now, so I would not want to be on a bike. It is freezing. That BMW SUV is probably so fast. Caught up with one of the Camaros. There's the second Camaro. Oh, I see some cops. That sucks. They shut it down already. There's a C8 right there. Supra. I guess we're gonna have to figure out another spot or something. Turned his lights off down there. So he just waits for people to get there, turn them on, and kicks them out. Where'd that bike go? Look at the high rim intake on the Camaro. both out of my life because this car is not fast. Just got the new spot, and apparently we were following these two Camaros. I thought they were going to the next spot, but they were not. We are 30 minutes actually away from the other spot, so we've been just stalking these two Camaros, but they did give us a little show. They sounded great, but we're gonna head on over to the next spot and see if we can get into more action.
Like a friendly text.
So we made it here at the last spot of the night, for me at least. Supra.
Arrive at
Hellcat, another Supra. There's a C8 Corvette right there. Well, I guess they decided not to do runs. 1, because it's freezing, I guess. 2, not a lot of people showed up. I don't know. Looks like everybody's going home. Which means, so are we. Times 2. Dodge Neon. So you guys remember those Camaros? Well, guess what? Oh, it's not that. But we did see them on the way back, so they actually came back to this meet as well. So I don't know where they were going.